Krishna dear friends, in this video I will be showing you how to make turban. I'm using here cotton, simple medical cotton and very fine chiffon fabric. I'll take cotton as much as I need and I'll roll it into the chiffon fabric. Carefully roll it into the fabric and hide the sides of the fabric inside. After you arrange it like this, you start stitching it carefully. Don't stitch it through because in front we don't want the stitches to be visible. So stitch all the places. Now after we have stitched it, I'll put it like this and then try it on the Lord's head, on the deity's head. You have different deity size, I'm having different deity size. So put it on top of deity's head and mark the place where you wanna stitch it, and then start stitching from the front. After you stitch the front, attach the back sides as you see here, from here, neatly like this. Then in order to decorate it, I'll be putting this artificial flowers. Because the deity has blue dress, I'm gonna use this some royal blue color flowers. Nicely attach both the flowers. You may select different color flower, it depends on your deity's dress color, outfit color. So like this I have attached in a similar way. Now I need more decorations. That's why I'm using this kind of sticking stones. They're a little bit shiny and they stick, which is easier for me to apply. While creating turbans, you have to be creative, and I'm sure you are. Many of you are very creative. And there is no any particular rule how you have to decorate the turban. Usually in descriptions of Krishna from Bhagavatam and other books, we find that Krishna was decorated with fruits and flowers and forest fruits and flowers and berries and cherries and everything natural, and stones, precious stones, semi-precious stones. So, devotees of Krishna decorate Krishna with all the natural things. So, I don't have natural flowers and natural stones. I will have to use this kind of artificial ones. So, once it's ready, now I thought to put this kind of pearl, blue color pearl. I wanted it to look like hanging, so carefully I start stitching as if this was hanging from the turban, on the turban. After attaching this. That's it. I don't need more decorations for this. It's kind of simple turban, but it looks nice. Please give your suggestions. Did you like the turban? And if you make one, maybe you can share on Instagram. Maybe you can tag me so that I also can see and learn from you all. Basically, I have selected the colors which match the outfit of the Lord. So mostly our turban is done. You have to attach it as I showed it before and offer it to the deities. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be waiting for your recommendations and your thoughts about it. Haribol.